Let us start exercise 3.2 of CBSE class 10th mathematics. Question number 1. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. The 10 students of class 10th took part in the mathematics quiz. If the number of the girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Here let us take x be the number of the girls and y be the number of boys. So x plus y will be equal to 10. On adding, we get 2x is equal to 14, x is equal to 7. Now you see, on the second, x minus y is equal to 4. It is given already. Now adding these two equations, we will get 2x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 7. Now subtracting these two equations, we will get on subtraction 2y is equal to 6, that y is equal to 3. Now we plot the points. You see, from the first equation, x plus y is equal to 10. So x and y, we make a table like this. And x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 9, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 6, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7. Similarly, for the second equation, that is x minus y is equal to 4. So here the x will be equal to 4, y will be equal to 0, x will be equal to 5, y is equal to 1, 6, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 7, y is equal to 3. Now, taking the x along the x-axis and y along the y-axis, we can plot the points and we get the intersection at 7, 3. So the number of girls is 7, boys is 3. This will be the answer graphically also, as well as numerically or algebraically. It is 7 and 3. Now proceed to the second part. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50. And 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46. So we can solve these questions by yourself, because very simple. You take the cost of pencil x and 7, form the equations, and total sum will be 50. Now proceed to the question number 2. On comparing the ratio of A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, or parallel or coincident. You see, 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Here you see 5 by 7, A1 by A2, that is 5 by 7, B1 by B2, that will be minus 4 by 6. So it will be minus 2 by 3. C1 by C2, that is 8 by minus 9. So we see that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. It means the lines are intersecting. And we will get an exact solution, unique solution, you can say, a unique solution of x and y. Now proceed to the second part of the equation. You see, 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0, 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. So here A1 by A2 is equal to 9 by 18, and that will be equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 will be equal to 3 by 6, that will be equal to 1 by 2. c1 by c2, that is 12 by 24, that will be also 1 by 2. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. The lines are coincident. Coincident means that these two lines are overlapping on one another. So there are infinitely solution for it. Now proceed to the question number 2, third part, that is 6x plus 2x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Here you see a1 by a2, 6 by 2. Solve it, you will get, and minus 3 minus 1, minus 3 minus 1, and again you see 10 by 9. So we see that c1 a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 are equal. It means the lines are parallel, and once the lines are parallel, there is no any solution, as the lines do not intersect. They don't intersect, hence there is no any solution. Now proceed to the question number 3. On comparing the ratio of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Is it 3x plus 2y equal to 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 7? Here we find out a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are not equal. You see, 3 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 3, 2 by minus 3. The lines may intersect in a single point. In this case, the pair of equations has a unique solution. Therefore, consistent pair of equations. Second part, 2x minus 3y equal to 8, 4x minus 6y equal to 9. This implies that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and is not equal to c1 by c2. As soon as you prove that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, it means these two lines will be parallel to each other. Therefore, there is no any solution. The lines are parallel. In this case, the equations have no solution, hence inconsistent pair of equations. Now proceed to the third part. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equal to 7. 9x minus 10y equal to 14. So, take the coefficient of x here and here. 3 by 2 by 9, solve it, you will get 1 by 6. Similarly for this, 5 by 3 whole upon 10, you solve it, you will get 1 upon minus 6. 7 by 14, that is c1 by c2, you will get 1 by 2. Here you see that 1 by 6 is not equal to minus 1 by 6, and it is also not equal. The lines intersect in a single point, hence the pair of equations has a unique solution. Therefore, consistent pair of equations. Now come to the fourth part. 5x minus 3y equal to 11 and minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. You see 5 by 10 minus 10, you solve it. Here 3 minus 3 by 6, here minus 3 by 6, 11 by minus 22. Solve it, you will get minus 1 by 2, here minus 1 by 2, here also minus 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This shows that the lines are not parallel. The lines may coincident. The equation have infinitely many solutions, hence dependent consistent pair of equations. Now proceed to the question number, fifth part of the question number 3. That is 4 by 3x plus 2y equal to 8 and 2x plus 3y equal to 12. So a1 by a2 is equal to 4 by 3 divided by 2. So solve it, you will get 2 by 3. Here b1 by b2, you will get 2 by 3 again. Now c1 by c2, solve it, you will get 2 by 3. So here we see that the a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, means the lines are coincident. They will overlap each other. Means suppose this is one line and this is the second line. If you produce this line will overlap or coincident to each other. So the lines are not parallel, but it is a single line, but may be separate. But when we produce it, it will overlap or coincident. The lines be coincident, equations have infinitely many solutions, dependent consistent pair of equations. Now proceed to the question number 4. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent, inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. You see, first question is x plus y is equal to 5, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So the dependent consistent is there, coincident infinitely many solutions will be there. We will get this type of line graph, and if we produce, they will overlap to each other. Now proceed to the second part, that is x minus y is equal to 8, 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Here the lines are parallel, no solution, and inconsistent pair of equations. Third part, that is 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now you see that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. The lines are not parallel. Consistent pair of equations is there. So here if we find out by solving the equations, x will be equal to 2, y will be equal to 2. So now we have to draw the graph also in order to make the graphical representation of the equations. So you see, from the first equations we get that x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. So for this 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, this will be the equation, this will be the line. And for the second, if you just solve it, you will get y is equal to 2x minus 2, that will become again x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. And it has been drawn here, also just to see it. So they both intersect each other at 2, 2. Means the value of x and value of y will be 2, 2. We have already solved it algebraically, that is 2 and 2. It is just geometrically, you can say, or with the help of graphically, I have solved it here. Now proceed to the fourth part. That is 2x minus 2y is equal minus 2y, 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0, 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So if you solve 2 by 4 and minus 2 by minus 4, again in this case both are equal, but they are not equal to the C1 by C2, that is minus 2 by minus 5. And the lines are parallel, no solution, inconsistent pair of equations. Now the question number 5, which states that the half the perimeter of the rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimension of the garden. You see, I have taken the perimeter divided by 2 means half of this. This will be equal to L plus B, because twice the L plus B is equal to the perimeter. So half of the perimeter will be equal to L plus B, that is given, that is 36 meter. Let x be the width and L be the length, so therefore the L will be equal to x plus 4. So x plus 4 plus x should be equal to 36. Now solve it, we will get 2x is equal to 32, means x is equal to 16. Now length will be equal to 16 plus 4, that is 20 meters. This is the answer of the question number 5. Now proceed to question number 6, that is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So here we see that the intersecting lines, if you have to draw or you have to write the intersecting lines, we can write as many as we require, but here I have given one example of it, that is 4x plus 9y minus 4 equal to 0. Parallel lines means that is 4x plus 6y minus 10 equal to 0. Coincident line, that is 6x plus 9y minus 24 equal to 0. These are the three answers. Now question number 7. You see, draw the graph of the equations x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and set the triangular region. Now you see the equations which I have written here, x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. If we solve these equations, we will get the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So we can plot for drawing the graph. First of all we make the table, that is x and y is equal to x plus 1. So put x is equal to 0, we will get y is equal to 1. Put x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Put x is equal to again 3. No, sorry, it is 3 and it will come 4. In the second, for the second equation, that is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Here you see x is equal to 0. For y we can 12 minus 3x, 12 minus 3x divided by 2. That is 6 here, 4, 0, 2, 3. So x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 will intersect x-axis at x is equal to minus 1. Second part, that is minus 1, that is point coordinate of the point will be minus 1, 0. 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0 will intersect the x-axis at x is equal to 4. So the point will be 4 comma 0. Now I have drawn the lines graph for it. You see, graphically I have drawn the lines, that is for equation x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This will be the line. And for 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0 is this line. So both intersect each other. So that this point is A, B and C. This will be the triangle. Just solving, put here y is equal to 0 in the equation, you will get the coordinate of x-axis. Put y is equal to 0 in this equation, again we will get that will be equal to minus 4, 0. So in this way we will again get the answer, that is 2 and 3, where the point intersect. The intersecting point coordinate will be 2 and 3. Therefore the vertices of the triangle are minus 1, 0. In first bracket that will be, let it be 1. So 4 comma 0 and 2 comma 3, these are the three coordinates of the vertices of given triangle. And moreover, the triangle region has been shaded. That's all for this exercise.